Couldn't resist. I had to follow that. That thing is super fucking loud. Shit. Good morning, guys. The fuck? Alex, you remember when we used to do that? For the VLs? I think I found the new use for when we do that. Just got off a short little call with Rose. She's probably gonna come back in a minute. Her mom kind of called. Anyways, for a short minute though, I need to be this little punk. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, come on. Eat away. Just eat away. Eat it. Sorry. My bad. I know how I would feel if someone did that to me while I was eating, so I'll give you that. I'm sorry. I will leave you alone as you eat. I'll just go over here, even though I do have a couple of treats for you. Oh, hey, would you look at that? I gotta take the trash in. I gotta bring the trash in. Trash was taken out last night, now I gotta bring it in. Yay! Yeah, I'm talking to you guys while I look up. Is that a problem? And now I'm doing it while looking down. Fine, I'll bring it back up if it's more convenient for you guys, so we can be aisle out. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just waiting for him to finish eating so I can give him a couple little treats. Sit. Where? Sit. Gentle. I said gentle. Okay, that was... Sit, Riley, sit. Riley, sit. Good boy. Be gentle. Be gentle. Hey, I said gentle. That works. Well guys, I got a slightly funny story for you. So, earlier, before Rose called me again for a little bit, not long, but a little bit, we had a nice conversation. It's a random little story, so I'm just sitting around watching CTFXE and all of a sudden I hear a chirping sound and I'm thinking, oh, it's probably just outside, it's fine. It keeps happening and I'm realizing it's really loud and most likely inside, so I'm like, well, where the hell is it coming from? I look around forever and ever, can't find it. All of a sudden, I'm just minding my own thoughts, just pacing around, and all of a sudden I go around our table downstairs and I see this tiny little abnormal dot in the carpet, and I'm like, that can't be right. I look closer at it. It's that stinking cricket I'd been hearing, so I tried to catch it. Failed. I ended up somehow getting it to jump on my arm, and I tried to throw it outside. Like, I didn't actually try to throw it outside. Like, I walked to the door and tried to get it to jump off and onto the deck and go outside and be wild and be free. Instead, when I thought I had put it outside, gently of course, and it actually jumped off my arm right before the door and landed somewhere else in the basement. I realized this like a half hour, an hour later. I just happened to look down and I'm like, I didn't get rid of that thing, are you serious? So I tried to catch it again, and my luck, instead of catching it, I accidentally squished the thing. Here I was trying to save it, and I fucking squished it. Son of a bitch. I hate that. I actually do try to save some of these things sometimes. Spiders for sure. Those things down the drain are squishing. Nope. No. But everything else, try to save it. Sometimes you end up accidentally squishing it, and it sucks. Like I told you, weird conversation. Anyways, unfortunately, I gotta go to bed right now and get ready for work tomorrow morning, so I'm gonna end today's video right now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully we'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night, guys. Wow, I did that really weird for once, didn't I? Let's just change that. Alright guys, well unfortunately that's going to be it for tonight. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow.